Hi everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. In this video, I will be guiding you through how to change language on MyEtherWallet. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, launch open MyEtherWallet application from your app drawer. Make sure that you're inside your main homepage. From the main homepage, scroll a bit down and get to the settings menu. Tap on settings and tap on language from the menu. You will then see the list of available languages on the screen. Choose from one of the languages that you'd like to change to and tap on it. It'll then immediately change the display language for your app. So that is how you can easily change your language setting on MyEtherWallet application. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.